Hey guys, the back one there unboxing this time is for COCO on Disney's Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. I did not get the 4K, they were sold out. So unfortunately, just instead of going home with empty-handed, I grabbed the Blu-ray. So yeah, here's the front, here's the spine, and here's the back. I heard really good things about this, so I can't wait to give this a try tonight. So there's the slip cover, which pretty much this is the slip cover. And here's the front, pretty much the same. Spine, the back. So yeah, here's that. So let me unbox it, or open it, I mean. Actually. Come on. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that. Trying to... Oh, come on. I thought I just ripped this thing open. Jeez, getting this wrapping thing out was really getting annoying. Okay, wow, that was hard. So here's the front again. So there's the front. Wow, actually they used some disc art for once. This is amazing. So Blu-ray and special features. Wow, looks impressive. So I have not seen this. So here's the front, here's the inside. So yeah, I have not seen this yet. Can't wait to give it a try. Geez, I hope I didn't break this already. Yeah, so there it is. So yeah, there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want the digital download, give me a shout and I'll see who I can give it to. And if you'd like this, please subscribe. Thank you.